Hello friends, in this video we are going to see about the string functions. Some of the string functions we have seen in the last video. Rest of the things we are going to see about in this video. Let's move on to the video, friends. The first function is splitter function. It's used to split the one single string into multiple parts. Let's see the example. St equal to Python development program. I want to split the single string into multiple parts, I mean 3 parts. So I am going to apply the splitter function, st.splitoff. If you want to separate the string into split the string with a particular character by using this particular character means we should given that particular character inside the bracket. If it doesn't give anything means default consider the space as a wherever the space is given in the particular string, before the space the string should be splitted. This is the meaning for this. The default space is given inside the bracket. Default it considers a space is a delimiter. The character or the element which is used to split the string, that's called delimiter. If it doesn't give anything means default the space is a delimiter. So I don't take anything. So default it takes a place as a delimiter and it splits the string into 3 parts. Python development program. Space is a default delimiter. Then lstrip. Lstrip means it removes the particular or special character from the left side of the string. If you want to remove the unnecessary things which are present in the string, if you want to remove that element or special characters in the string, we are going to use the lstrip. It removes the left side of the string element only. Used to remove specific special character from the left side of the string. I am taking the string as hash Python. I want to remove the left side hash symbols from the string. So I am going for lstrip. Which symbol we want to delete, we want to remove, that symbol should be given inside the bracket. Okay, see, all the hash symbols has been removed. The 4 hash symbols has removed, which are present in the left side of the string. Then the next one is rstrip. R strip is used to remove the specific special character from the right side of the string. L strip means left side of the string, R strip means right side of the string. Right side of the string. I am going to apply the same function for this st dot R strip hash. Okay. The right side of the hash symbols has removed by using the R stripper function. Then the next one is stripper function. L strip means used to remove the special characters from the right side. R strip means from the right side, and the stripper function used to remove the special character from the both sides. If you want to remove the particular character from the both side at a time, we should go for the stripper function used to remove specific special character from the both sides. Okay, I am taking the same example here, string equal to hash Python hash. So I am going to apply the stripper function st dot strip of. Sorry, I have forgotten to give the hash symbols. st dot strip of hash. Okay, the both hash symbol has removed. This symbol has removed and this symbol has removed. This hash symbol, both the side the symbol has removed. Then the next one is swap case. Swap case is nothing but swapping the characters. If the string is given in the lowercase letters, it will swap the string into uppercase. Okay, if the string is given in the uppercase characters, it will it will be swapped into lowercase character. Swapping is nothing but swaps all the lowercase letters into uppercase and uppercase letters into lowercase. Lowercase letters into and uppercase letters into lowercase. Okay, I am taking the string as programmer, PROGRAMMER. I am taking the string as combination of both lowercase and uppercase. I am going to apply the swap case of function st dot swap case. See, all the lowercase character has changed into uppercase and the uppercase character has changed into lowercase. This is the use of swap case of function. If you want to, it will be helpful for your interviews. What is the function used to swap the characters means we can say the swap case of function. Then the next one is reversed. Reverse means the name itself has the meaning, it has the meaning, reverse the particular string. If the string is given in A, B, C, if the string is A, B, C means by using the reversed function, we can display the string as C, B, E, used to reverse the string. I'm taking the string equal to Python. And I'm going to reverse the string into NOHTYP. After reversing the string, it should be stored in the string function only, string variable only. Dot join of reversed str. Print of str. Okay, this is a very important question, how to reverse the string function. That means initially have taken the particular string into string variable, then I am going to reverse the string. In the reverse function, I have reversed the string. I have reversed the particular string, and the same str variable I am going to store. So by using the join of function, after reversing the each and every character, it should be stored in the string variable. After that, finally we should display the string variable. So we have given it will display the output as NOHTYP. Again I take it, that's it. Then the next one is replace of. Replace means if you want to replace, if you have taken something, if you have taken the particular string anything wrong, if you want to replace the existing string with the new string, we will go for the replace of function using the used to replace an existing string with new string. If you want to replace an existing string with a new string, we will go for the replace of function. Initially I am taking the string as Python learner. And I want to replace the learner into developer. So I am taking the another one string str1 equal to st dot replace of what are the old string, existing string, learner, LEARNER. The learner should be replaced by the new string. Which one you want to replace it? Developer. I want to replace the learner into developer. So I am taking the old string learner first. I am taking the existing string, and the next I am taking the new string. Then str1. The string has changed into, the Python learner string has changed into Python developer. Then the next one is sorted off. This is used to sort the given string. Sorted means the ascending order. I am taking the st equal to program. I am going to apply the sorted off function. So sorted off st. See, in the alphabetical order, A is first. A is coming first, then G, M, O, P, R, R. Okay, this is the use of sorted off function. Then in this program string, double R is given, so the double R has came here. Double R has come here. The first R, the second one. Then the next one is del of command. Del command. This is used to delete the entire string. If you want to delete the particular string, means complete. If you want to delete the particular string completely, we should go for the del of command. But by using the del of command, we can't delete the special character or particular index number character. We can't delete the particular character by using the del of command. If you want to delete the entire string, we should go for it. Otherwise, it's not useless. It's not useful. We can delete the entire string objects permanently. Entire string object. But we can't delete a special character of or a range of characters by using the command. But we can't. Or special character. By using this command. I am taking the string as Python, otherwise Java program. ID of st, it gives the location where the given string is located. Where the string is located, it gives the ID, location ID of the st, and I am going to apply the del function, del command, del st. Okay, now I want to display the st, print of st. It shows the error, name error, because the st has been removed. The st has removed by using the del command. After applying the del command, the st Java program has removed. It's the use of del command. If you want to delete a particular string permanently, you can use the del command. These are all the functions, friends. These functions are very useful for the interviews. If you are looking for the Python jobs, these are the very common and important topics. You just go through both the videos. It will be more useful for your interviews. And if you have any doubt, just leave the comment. I'll reply you. If you want more videos, just hit the like button and leave your comment. If you like this channel, just click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.